What if you could sum data from 12 different monthly sheets using just one single formula? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you Excel's 3D reference trick that most Excel users track monthly data on separate sheets, January, February, March, and then manually write equals sum, click sheet 1, copy the form. Here is the setup. We have 3 sheets named January, February, and March, and each one has sales data in cell B2. Now create a 4th sheet called Total. Click on cell B. The formula is equals SOM, open parenthesis, then type the first sheet name, which is January, then a colon, then the last sheet name, which is March, then an exclamation mark. Hit enter and Excel instantly returns $13,150, the combined total from all 3 sheets in one shot. Now, if you you just learned how to use 3D references to sum data across multiple sheets with a single powerful formula. If this saved you